Gas mowers have always been the status quo, but today I'm going to give battery power a chance. Let's see how HART's 40V Supercharge Dual Blade mower stacks up. With gas, the mess, the maintenance, the priming, the pulling and not starting, it just gets old. So this is refreshing. However, I'm not going to compromise on performance, but the box says it can outperform a 170cc gas mower, and I think it delivers. All that power comes from its brushless motor, which runs with less friction for greater efficiency, delivering more runtime and longer motor life. Two blades are better than one. That's the saying, right? The upper blade leads the charge with an initial cut, while the lower blade follows suit, chopping up the grass even more, resulting in a fine mulch, which helps your lawn stay healthier and look better. A single lever adjusts the cutting height. And being self-propelled takes the work out of it. Use the plug to mulch, that's free fertilizer. Side discharge if you've missed a mow, or collect the grass in a bag for a neater yard. It did my whole yard, just under 3/4 of an acre, with the two included 6 amp-hour batteries. It uses one at a time, which makes recharging easier and faster. And the 40-volt batteries that power this supercharged mower can power any other HART 40-volt tool. When the yard's done, a single click will fold it up to save space. My old gas mower couldn't do that. Okay guys, the facts, they speak for themselves. HART's battery power mower breaks the status quo of gas. Go check it out yourself.